Hey, my geniuses, welcome back to Quiz Slice. Today's quiz will be extremely spooky fun with all treats and no tricks. It's Spidey and his amazing friends, all dressed up for Halloween night, followed by Guess the Voice of the Character. Get ready because this time I won't go easy on ya. Let's dive right in. Round 1. Spidey's character in their Halloween costume. First up, Green Goblin. And this is his Halloween costume, Spooky. Spin. And his Western Spider cowboy suit. Ghost Spider. Fairy Ghost Spider is in the house. Spidey. Spidey in his Halloween costume. He's Count Spidey Dracula. Which costumes here are your favorite? Is it the Dracula Spidey or the cowboy spin? I would choose both. How about you? Send us your answers below the comment. Black Cat. And now she's a black witch. Rhino. And his Mecha Rhino ghost costume. Black Panther. And scary Black Panther cosplay. Ms. Marvel. And this is her in her Halloween suit. Lastly, our beloved Iron Man. And this is him in his Halloween suit. Round 2, guess the voice. First up, can you guess the character through this voice?
My hiccups ruined our plan to sneak up on Green Goblin. Ugh, it's...
Brilliant! That is Spin.
My hiccups ruined our plan to sneak up on Green Goblin. Ugh, it's...
Whose voice is this?
Ha! Oh, looks like I found the trap.
Yeah, that's our friendly neighborhood Spidey.
Ha! Oh, looks like I found the trap.
Pick your hero between these twos. Would you pick Spidey or Peter Parker Spider-Man? Let us know in the comments section below. What an adorable voice line. Can you guess it right?
Hang on, Spidey. I'm coming for... And she's really strong.
Good job, boss man. It is Ghost Spider.
Hang on, Spidey. I'm coming for... And she's really strong.
A very famous villain in the Spider-Man movies. Can you guess it right?
Oh, my new power, I'll rule the world! Now.
Yup, that's Doc Ock.
Oh, my new power, I'll rule the world! Now.
This character is a new rising star. Can you pick the correct name?
And begin! Whoa!
Oh yeah! Miss Marvel is on the board.
And begin! Whoa!
Eye test time. Can you find the odd Spider-Man symbol? Whoops, there it is. Did you find it? Tell me in the comments. Can you guess this character through his vibe?
I'm the expert now.
Oh yeah, that's Ant-Man.
I'm the expert now.
Very suspicious voice. Who's this?
His story about the Pumpkin King will tell me how to find his sword. Once I figure out where it's...
Awesome! This is Green Goblin.
His story about the Pumpkin King will tell me how to find his sword. Once I figure out where...
Guess this character by their voice, can you?
There you go. That's better. This is the perfect spot for...
Great! That's Black Cat. She's always steal stuff.
There you go. That's better. This is the perfect spot for...
Next one, quite hard to get. Any guesses on who this is?
Oh, I got a bunch of ways to control it. Some things that press a button for.
Oh yes, that's our goat, Iron Man.
Oh, I got a bunch of ways to control it. Some things that press a button for.
Which Iron Man would you rather choose? Only one. Is it the iconic Marvel Iron Man you're choosing or the Iron Man from Spidey? Cast your vote down below. I will declare the victorious when the comment is closed. I bet you know this one.
View from above. I see her.
Yeah, that's Wasp.
View from above. I see her.
Can you help me find out who this character is?
Looks like tea to me. And I bet the Tooth Fairy will pay extra.
You're incredible. It's Rhino.
Looks like tea to me. And I bet the Tooth Fairy will pay extra.
Why is this character very familiar to me?
Got this! Hulk smash!
Oh my gosh, that's the Incredible Hulk.
Got this! Hulk smash!
Another tough one to crack. Can you guess the right character here?
I don't think so. No more ice cream cones today.
Oh, you're rocking this. That truly is Sandman.
I don't think so. No more ice cream cones today.
What a zapping voice this one got. Who's this character?
Give me all the electricity you can let.
Sweet! This is Electro.
Give me all the electricity you can.
Which Spider-Man movies would you rather watch in the future? Spider-Man, Brand New Day, or Spider-Man, Beyond the Spider-Verse? Like if it's the Brand New Day movies, and subscribe if it's Beyond the Spider-Verse. Another one. Any idea who this character is?
If she's found, we need to try to defeat her together. Now that she's got my vibranium...
Exactly. That's the King of Wakanda, Black Panther.
If she's found, we need to try to defeat her together. Now that she's got my vibranium...
Their last one. Can you finish this perfectly?
Stop him, Aunt Petunia! It's clobbering time!
You got it. The thing is speaking.
Stop him, Aunt Petunia! It's clobbering time!
And that's the wrap of today's Spidey Halloween Quiz Edition. Thanks for hanging around, and if you have a lot of fun, comment below so we can keep up with your requests. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Well then, see you next time. Peace.